Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn how to create high quality silhouette designs. Silhouette designs are one of the most demanding skills nowadays, and by following few steps, I believe you will be able to create high quality silhouette designs at the end of this video. During this video, I will also tell you that why it is the most demanding skill and how you can earn by delivering services of silhouette designs. So what we are going to do, we will be using Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator to achieve this target and create the silhouette in vector form. So first of all, I have selected few images that I will be importing in Adobe Photoshop. It is one of the image. You can select any image of your preference or whatever your client demands from you. So I have just selected a random image as how we are going to create the silhouette design. So first of all, import the image and then go to image adjustment and then select threshold. Now here you can make adjustment as how much black portion do you want or how much your clients actually need the black portion. So keep on adjusting this, and once you are satisfied with the threshold levels, click OK. Now press Ctrl A. This will select the entire artboard in Adobe Photoshop, and press Ctrl C. Now you have copied the image, and then go into the Adobe Illustrator and create a new document of any suitable artboard and press Ctrl V. So your image that you created in Adobe Photoshop has been pasted in Adobe Illustrator. Make the adjustment to the artboard size as per your needs, and simply once you are satisfied, select the image, go to Windows, Image Trace, and first press Image Trace. Okay, this will trace the image. Now your image has been transformed into a vector form. Now you may create selection up to your requirements, like you want to make the edges sharper, so you can select the option of corners and select it to 100%. You may play with the paths option, whatever your need is, and similarly you can select the noise level. Once you are satisfied, just close this window. Now you can see the expand button at the top. Just press expand. Now each of the component has been expanded, and now you can make adjustment to individual component of the vector in Adobe Illustrator. Once you have expanded, press Ctrl Shift G multiple times. This will ungroup all the elements. Now you can make adjustment to each and every element. You can simply delete it. The components that you do not need, simply just delete them. Just keep on deleting them, make adjustment, and when you are satisfied, just simply, you already know how to save the file as a JPG. Okay, now you can make the JPG of it. Go to file, export as, select JPG, and you can save the file. Okay, let's take another example. I'm closing this document. Take another example of I have found out the example of another animal. Simply we will be following the same steps: adjustment, threshold, make adjustment. Once you are satisfied, click OK. Control A, select all. Control C, we have copied the image. Okay, first of all, we will have to reduce the size. Let's say 2000. Control A, control copy. Go into the Adobe Illustrator, paste the file. Okay, now similarly, press the image trace. If you want to make adjustment, go to image trace and make adjustment like corners 100%, reduce the paths somewhat. As you can see how these adjustment can affect the vector silhouette. Look, these are the paths at 100%, and these are the paths at 20%. So you can make adjustment as per your requirement, and once you have made traced it, press expand, select magic wand tool option after ungrouping, and simply select here and press delete. This has deleted the entire portion in the white portion. It has been deleted. Now you can make adjustment. You can make change the color or whatever you want to do and save the image. So quickly let's take another example very quickly. I am taking third example of this coconut tree, and similarly going to threshold, make adjustment. Okay, and I have copied the image and now I pasted in Illustrator. Following the same steps, image trace, making the adjustments as per my requirements. I want to make the edges sharp, so I am reducing the path and simply press expand. Now each and every component has been expanded, and ungroup, control shift G multiple times, so it has ungrouped each layer. Okay, now select magic wand tool from here, click on the white portion and simply press delete. Now we have only the black portion, and we can scale it, we can change the colors or whatever we want to do it, and save it as JPG. Okay, I believe that these were the basic and easy steps, and anyone who can see multiple times video can easily do it. Now, what is the significance of this silhouette designs? As during my freelancing career, I have seen number of sellers selling this for hundreds and thousands of dollars. Let's find out the services of silhouette. So basically, there are 714 services available on Fiverr, and they are selling the services of silhouette. And look, this is not a rocket science. This man has transformed this image into a silhouette, and he is a Fiverr's choice. That Fiverr prefer his services and he is selling his services here on Fiverr. And this is the same thing that we have done. Okay, let's move downward. There are several services. Look, he has completed 70 orders and 3 orders are already in queue. And this results can be achieved by following the same steps that I have told you. So just keep following these steps, and you can also sell your services on Fiverr on any other platform. That's because, as I already told you in the beginning, that it is one of the demanding skill. Look, here is the same image and he has created it into this form using the same option that we have learned in this video.